Hey there, today we're going to look at how to use Grammarly Beginner's Guide 2025 full guide. So let's get started. First, open your web browser and go to Google. Over here, type Grammarly in the search bar and hit enter. Then click on the official Grammarly website from the results. After that, on the home page, click on Get Grammarly. Then sign up for an account using your email address. If you already have an account, just log in by entering your email and clicking continue or use continue with Google. Once logged in, you will land on the Grammarly homepage. Over here, go to the apps section. Then click on install for Windows if you are using a Windows PC. After that, to use Grammarly in your browser, go back to the apps section and click on install for Chrome. Then click add to Chrome and confirm by clicking add extension. After installation, ping the Grammarly extension for easy access. Then open a Google Doc and start a new or existing document. Over here, click on the Grammarly icon inside the document. Then Grammarly will start showing suggestions as you type. Click on each suggestion to apply it to your writing. And that wraps it up. Appreciate you watching. See you in the next.